योकार तुमकां परत आमी आयज तुमच्या मुखार एक अशी वस्त घेवन येयल्या व समाधी जी तुमी पयल्या आमचो फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकार हाची समाधी आहा व तेज्या उपरांत तुमी पयले आतां न्यूज बांदलेली आहा ती मनोहर पर्रीकर बायची. तर ताज्या उपरांत आनी एक आसा ती तुमकां खबर आसा कोणाची हिंगासर आनी एक समाधी बांदलेली आसा ती आजुनूय लोकांक इतली हेजी म्हायती ना. तर आमी आयज ही स्पेशल स्टोरी तुमच्या मुखार घेवन आयल्या की ही समाधी कोणाची ती आनी कित्याक लागून हिंगासर बांदल्या आनी कोणाची खातीर हेणी तेणें कितें हेजें कंट्रिब्युशन ह्या गोंयाक आसा तेजें. तर ताची चड म्हायती दिवपाक आमच्या सांगाताक आसा आमचो मोगाचो प्रज्वाल सर. तर सर येवकार तुका आमच्या शो.
नमस्कार
सर आयज आमी अशेंच मिरामार चलतना आमकां हिंगासर एक हें दिसलें कन्स्ट्रक्शन त्या खातीर आमी मातशी एक चड आनी हें घातलें बोर घातली पळोवपाक कितें हिंगासर एक्झॅक्टली कितें आहा तुमकां कितें म्हायती आहा ती आमकां
हय हें आतां फूल कॉर्डन केलां पळय ताज्या फाटल्यान गव्हर्नर लेफ्टनंट गव्हर्नर मुल्कराज सचदेव हाजी समाधी आसा. नाव हो लेफ्टनंट गव्हर्नर मुल्कराज सचदेव वॉज द गव्हर्नर हू स्वर्न इन the first liberated government of Goa, Daman and Diu after Goa's liberation, led by Dayanand Banodkar. And that is why Lieutenant Governor Mulkraj Sachdev, हाका सचदेव्स मेमोरियल म्हणटा, ताजी हांगा समाधी आसा. हाजें इम्पॉर्टन्स हिस्टॉरिकल इम्पॉर्टन्स अशें आसा की गोवा वॉज लिबरेटेड ऑन 19 December 1961. Immediately after liberation, the liberated government did not take place. Elections did not take place because it was under military rule of KP candidate. Then came the civilian governor, Tumkur Shivshankar. And after that, you have on 9th December 1963, the first elections took place.
after
9th December 1963, the first assembly elections of the first assembly of liberated Goa, Daman and Diu took place, Union Territory. But before that, on 2nd September 1963, a new governor had come to power to rule over Goa, Daman and Diu, that is Lieutenant Governor Mulkraj Sachdev. His memorial is here. Now the history is, after the first assembly elections took place on 9 December 1963, on 20th December 1963, since the MGP party had won, the first government was formed by Maharashtradi Gomantak Paksh, which was led by Dayanand Banodkar. Dayanand Banodkar was sworn in as the first chief minister of liberated Goa, Daman and Diu. Now, who sworn him in the as the chief minister is Lieutenant Governor Mulkraj Sachdev. Mulkraj Sachdev, who used to live in the Cabo Rajniwas Palace, and there the swearing in took place on 20th December 1963. And Dayanand Banodkar had a cabinet of just two other ministers, Tony Fernandes and Vittal Subrai Karmali. So these three were sworn in on 20th December 1963 by Lieutenant Governor Mulkraj Sachdev. Now what happened was, Mulkraj Sachdev was a very good administrator. He was loved by the people. And everything was going on fine, but suddenly on 8th December 1964, he died in office. While he was the governor, he died. He was the only governor who died in office. Okay, and it was a sudden shock to Goa and sudden shock to everybody. It was 8 December 1964. On 2nd September 1963, he was the appointed as a lieutenant governor. Yeah, 1 year. So it was a shock to Goa, and it was the Panjim feast was going on 8 December, and suddenly this news came, that the governor had passed away, and he is the only governor who is cremated in Goa and who died in Goa. So he was cremated here, okay, and there is a marble stone there which is commemorating him because he was cremated here. They built a marble stone here on his cremation ground, and there is an inscription there that Lieutenant Governor Mulkraj Sachdev was the governor from 2nd September 1963 to 8 December 1964, and he passed away on 8 December 1964. Now the thing is, then when Dayanand Banodkar passed away on 12th August 1973 at the age of 62, he was cremated over there. So you have Banodkar Samadhi over there, the first chief minister, and the governor who sworn him, his Samadhi is over here. So there are these two samadhis, and beyond that is Parikar Samadhi. Now they are renovating Banurkar Samadhi.
बट वी नेवर हर्ड आम्ही पळोवंक ना की गव्हर्नराची केन्ना समाधी हुंय आहा अशी दवरल्या हेजेच कारण कितें वा ही
Karan, because he was the governor who sworn in Goa's first liberated government of Goa, Daman and Diu. After liberation, the first assembly was inaugurated by him. The first government was sworn in by him after liberation. That is why it is significant. And he is the only governor who died in Goa, and while he was the governor. So that is why in his memory, because he was the only governor who died here in office while he was the governor, and he died in Goa, that is why in memory this samadhi was constructed.
the decision was taken by the cabinet or what was it?
Decision was taken by the Bandodkar government to put up a samadhi of him.
Okay, त्यांच्या फॅमिलीन बी कितें हें केल्लें
Her family must have come, family, they must have informed him family, because the death was sudden, sudden that death it was. And so they honored him. Now the thing is, now I think the GTDC is putting up a project over there. So through your medium of Gomantak TV, I want to appeal to the GTDC, to the government of Goa, please respect the Lieutenant Governor's Samadhi. It's a historical monument here, and when people come to the Miramar beach, most people do not know, the public does not know. So here this his cremation spot, that marble Samadhi should be protected and preserved for posterity as a mark of respect to the governor. I also appeal to the honorable governor to look into this matter, and this has to be preserved here, because this is the spot where he was cremated. So here it should be properly preserved. A plaque should be put up. There is an inscription there down, and this should be preserved. The project, whatever it is coming, should not touch the samadhi.
पण ह्या असले जायतेच आसतले आनीकूय आमकां खबर नासतले, पण हो एक आसलो युनीक आमकां इतली खबर नासली की थोड्याच आतां तुमी सांगला त्या खातीर आतां लोकांक चड म्हायती येयल्या.
Yes.
तर हे गव्हर्मेंटान जे हे कोत्ता तुमी कितें प्रपोजल कितें तांकां बरयतले तुमचे सायड?
GTDC actually letter केल्लें की this Sachdev's memorial should be preserved and protected म्हणून. तांकां लेटर मेळ्ळां काय कोण? I had mailed to them. Okay.
रिस्पॉन्स येवंक नाका.
Response काय येवना. So I appeal through this medium that the chairperson of GTDC should look into this matter and see that this memorial is preserved properly with lot of respect and honor that it deserves.
आणि हालींच आमी पयले लास्ट 2 years आय थिंक दे पेड अ रिस्पेक्ट बाय आमचो गव्हर्नर शशिधरन पिल्ले. He had also come.
Yeah.
Flower tributes.
See, the governor's palace is right here in Donapala. Okay, so and this samadhi is like, overlooking that governor's palace. So I feel that the present governor also should look into the matter, pay homage to him, and tell his government that it should be given the due respect it deserves and should be preserved as a historical monument for future generations. And what happened, it should be visible to the public. People do not know. In fact, hardly people know that there is a samadhi here of a governor. It is hidden behind the bushes, and earlier it was all full of vegetation and all that, and the whole thing was not visible. So it should receive some visibility. It should be visible when people visit Miramar beach. Now they will visit the Banodkar's memorial, Parikar's memorial. People go, and they should also visit the samadhi as a historical monument.
अशें तुमी सांगलें की ती झाडां मोदें भितर आसले दिसती पडनासले लोकांक. असले आनी जायते कितें कितें आसतले ते आमकां अजून खबर ना.
हय, हांगा मिरामार फोर्ट आशिल्लो न्ही. जायत्या जाणांक खबर ना की हांगा मिरामारचो फोर्ट आशिल्लो, आनी ताजो स्केच आसा. आंतोनियो लॉपिज मेंदिजान व्हड्यान बसून तो स्केच काडिल्लो 1862. तो स्केच अजून अवेलेबल आसा ताच्या पुस्तकान, आ इंडिया पोर्तुगेजा. सो हांगा मिरामार फोर्ट आशिल्लो.
मिरामार फोर्ट म्हणटाले तेका कितें नांव?
ताका फोर्तालेजा दे गास्पार दियस म्हणटाले, because this beach was known as Gaspar Dias. Okay, then because there was a hotel here, La Casino del Miramar, because of the hotel's name was Miramar, so this place came to be known as Miramar after the hotel. And much earlier it was known as Pitduk before Portuguese. Miramar, it was known as Pitduk, mean बीड. मागीर काको कोंकणीन पिड्डूक म्हणटाले ह्या सगळ्या एरियेक. मागीर ताका गास्पार दियस म्हणपाक लागले. देयर वॉज अ गास्पार दियस वॉज अ पोर्चुगीज फिदाल्गो हू यूज्ड टू लिव देयर, एंड ही हॅड ओन दिस प्रॉपर्टी. मागीर हांगा फोर्ट बांदलो, ताजो तो कमांडर आशिल्लो. मागीर हांगा लुसियानो रॉनकॉन आनी ताच्या फॅमिलीन हांगा हॉटेल बांदलें.
टायमार फोर्ट आसलो.
पोर्चुगीज टायमार 1588 बांदिल्लो.
नात आतां आमकां
आतां कांयच दिश्टी पडना, फक्त कॅनन थंय आसा. दॅट कॅनन बिलोंग्स टू द फोर्ट.
ते सर्कल राऊंड सर्कल
या हांगा रोटोंडा कडेन या सर्कला कडेन जे कॅनन आसा दॅट बिलोंग्स टू द फोर्ट ऑफ मिरामार. या इट वॉज कॉल्ड फोर्तालेजा de Gaspar Diaz. दॅट टाइम दीस बीच वॉज नोन एज गास्पार दियस. आणि मागीर हांगा हॉटेल घातलें 9th March 1943 हांगा हॉटेल इनागुरेट केलें लुसियानो रॉन्कॉन तेजे फॅमिलीन. आणि दॅट हॉटेल वॉज कॉल्ड मिरामार, ला कासिनो देल मिरामार. सो आफ्टर द हॉटेल दीस प्लेस केम टू बी नोन एज मिरामार. द हॉटेल वॉज नेम्ड मिरामार बिकॉज मिरामार मीन्स मीरा मीन्स व्यू आणि मार मीन्स सी. So it was commanding the view of the sea. So Luciano Roncon, the Roncon family got a brilliant idea to name the hotel only as Miramar, and that gained currency. And from Gaspar Diaz, it came to be known as Miramar. So from Pete Duke to Gaspar Diaz to Miramar.
ओके ते मिरामार उतरानूय मिनिंग आहा तर.
Oh, Mira means view and Mar means sea. Miramar, view of the sea. हांगा sea दिश्टी पडटा न्ही म्हणून.
ओके तर हे फोटोय आमकां अजून आमी पळोवना जनरेशन
फक्त कॅनन आसा अवेलेबल. ओनली कॅनन यू कॅन सी. नथिंग रिमेन्स ऑफ द फोर्ट.
तुमकोणा कितें आहा तो तेजे स्केच बी
ताजो स्केच आसा म्हजे कडेन. इट इज इन द बूक आ इंडिया पोर्तुगेज आंतोनियो लॉपीज म्हणजे ताजो मिरामाचो फोर्टाचो स्केच आसा. फोर्तालेजा de Gaspar and right opposite the Reis Magos fort. It is shown in the sketch. Sometimes next we can do this episode and we can show that sketch also.
तर तुमकां चडांत चड देव बरें करूं सर. तुमी तुमचो टायम काडून आमकां दिलो. इतली म्हायती तुमी आमकां दिली की आमच्या सगळ्या लोकांक हो मेमोरियल आसलो ते कोणाकूच खबरूय नासलें. खरेंच इतली ट्रेजरी आमच्या गोंयांत आहा आनी ज्युवेल्स कशे आमी ते सांबाळूंक दवरूंक जाता. ते आमच्या ट्युरिस्टांक जे येता गोंयांत नच फकत बिचीर भोंवपाक पूण असलें दाखोवपाक जाय आनी हे गोवमेंटान प्रिजर्व करूंक दवरपाक जाय. जशे परी सरान ऑलरेडी तांकां एक लेटर केल्ली आसा हे प्रिजर्व करपाक. तुमकां सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं. तुमी आमचो एपिसोड पळोवन आमकां तुमचे कितें फिडबॅक्स आहा ते आमकां दिवचे आनी असलेच आमचे एपिसोड्स आनीक कितें गोंयचे तुमकां खबर ना जे आमकां खबर ना ती आमी तुमच्या मुखार दवरतले. ओके जे आमी आतांच आयकलें की हिंगासर एक फोर्ट आसलो मिरामार फोर्ट आनी त्याचो हे पळय ते कॅनॉन काडून हिंगासर दवरलेलो आहा एकूच. आनी होय बीन खंय कोणें थिंगासर उडयल्लो आसलो जेन्ना चोगम जाल्ले तेन्ना हांगासर हाडून तांणी डिस्प्लेयाक दवरलेलो. हेज्या वयर आमी तुमकां दुसऱ्या एपिसोडान आमी तुमकां हेजी म्हायती दितली ह्या फोर्टाची आनी कोणें बांदलेलो आनी कित्याक लागून बांदलेलो. ही तुमी पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.